bush cooking. Bit hot, but it'll cook quicker. Camp lights on. Next bit's an awning. Spray on there. Try and find another mushy. Hope it's not bloody air spray. Anyway, we'll reckon on. On the top so he soaks in. It's starting to rain at the moment. We'll put him on and see how we go. Good feed. One person. I forgot. Yeah, bloody onions. Not that I need them anyway. All good. Just pick these snags and chops away for the morning. Good breakfast in the morning. Oh, good bacon in there. Big day at the tracks. Not really. This is what it's about. Bit of camp. Camping by yourself. Isn't focusing real well. I don't know what's happened there. Return. Mushy stuck. Hang on a sec, guys. Hot. Steak's burning. Maybe it should be not how to do it. There you go. 2 burnt chops, burnt mushroom, hot dogs that you could probably, oh not hot dogs, but sausages you can eat. But the best thing is, the eggs are well done.